I think one of the successes that I'm most proud of with the company is the closeness with which we've worked with industry partners right from the outset. So MIT and its ecosystem, the faculty, the students, the mentors, the entrepreneurs, all of the facets of MIT that make it the unique place that it is, we tried to capitalize on as much as possible. And one of those was the industry contacts that are available both through various research programs in Dr. Gleason's lab and other labs, and through organizations like the ILP. And for us it was very important to work directly with industry partners right from the outset. Part of the reason for that was that we've had a very organically grown company. So the company is not funded by typical venture capital. We've essentially grown off of R&D funding provided largely by the federal government, but a significant portion of which provided by industry partners. So industry partners have brought to us something that is tremendously valuable and goes beyond just funding and investment, and that is the validation within the market, validation of the market need. When you have a platform technology like ours, one of the biggest challenges is trying to identify the application or the trajectory that you should be focusing on. And by having our industry partners be open and clear with us about what their needs are, and then dedicating resources to testing our coatings, qualifying our coatings, giving us fairly open and honest advice about their expectation of manufacturing and quality standards, we've been able to build basically a very credible business case right from the outset. And if the application wasn't a good fit, then we were able to also identify that and save ourselves lots of time, effort, and frustration. So I think we would not have been in the position we were to capitalize on that if we weren't coming out from this milieu of industry, academic, entrepreneurial activity. I think that was, not only was that a beneficial in tangible terms, connecting us with the people we needed to meet, but I think the overall philosophy that allowed us to engage in with the company was also important. You know, I mean, MIT is a place, MIT and its surrounds, its ecosystem, is a place that expects you to keep learning, expects you to seek new frontiers, and frankly take risks, and that's something that we could do comfortably within that ecosystem. So that, just being guided by that philosophy, I think was really helpful in allowing us to set out on our own in the way that we did, and attempt essentially a kind of Darwinian evaluation of the applications that were available to us. We didn't pick something necessarily up front, we allowed our industry partners to help us to pick that.